National Weather Service in Upton has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect from 2 p.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Thursday. Locations: Long Island Sound, Taconic and Gardeners Bays of eastern Long Island. Tidal departures, around 4 to 5 feet Wednesday afternoon into evening. Around 2.5 to 4 feet late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Beach erosion, large breaking waves of 3 to 6 feet on top of any surge, could cause significant additional beach erosion, especially any northward-facing coastlines. Timing: around the times of high tide around and just after sunset on Wednesday, and again toward daybreak on Thursday. Impacts: moderate coastal flooding will occur mainly Wednesday afternoon into early evening. Minor to localized moderate coastal flooding is expected very late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Widespread flooding of vulnerable shore roads and/or basements will hamper recovery efforts.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect from 11 a.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. Thursday. Locations: New York Harbor. Tidal departures, around 3.5 feet. Beach erosion, large breaking waves of 8 to 12 feet on top of any surge, could cause significant additional beach erosion and overwash. Timing: around the times of high tide early Wednesday afternoon, and again after midnight Wednesday night. Impacts: moderate coastal flooding is expected mainly during Wednesday afternoon. Minor coastal flooding to localized moderate coastal flooding is expected late Wednesday afternoon into early Thursday morning. Locally, major flooding could occur in places due to changes to underwater slopes and/or loss of protective dunes, both caused by Sandy. Widespread flooding of vulnerable shore roads and/or basements will hamper recovery efforts.